Health management expert. Download Genic app or RENPHO health app to track and record food data, calculate calories, offer a detailed nutritional analysis, and also support syncing with Apple Health. The user-friendly app contains an extensive USDA food database, which also allows you to add and customize your own food data into the app as needed. Accurate measurement. Food weight scale accurately weighs anything between 1 gram and 5,000 grams in measurement increments of 1 gram, 0.05 ounces. 4 sensitive sensors provide precise and reliable measures way to get an accurate weight. Combined with the nutritional scale, kitchen scale and coffee scale together, the coffee timer function displays the ratio between coffee beans and water, recording time and weight of beans. Tare Function. With the one-touch Tare function, you will no longer have trouble with complex steps to get net weight. Gram scale removes the weight of the container with the Tare button, easy to get the exact weight of the required items without changing the bowl. Measuring 5 units. Easily convert units to ounces, Oz, both pounds and ounces, lb, Oz, grams, g, milliliters, ml, fluid ounce, flat, Oz, for more accurate ingredients. You can switch units both on the food scale and phone app. Perfect for keto, diet, weight loss or bodybuilding. Display and appearance upgrade. Large stylish glass platform, easy to clean and surface waterproof. 7.52 by 6.57 by 0.82 size, RENPHO kitchen scale comes with auto-off function to save energy. The digital kitchen scale's convenient size makes it easy to store, which is travel-friendly and takes up little storage space in a kitchen drawer, cabinet, or travel case. Top reviews from the United States. Nice kitchen scale with OK app. This is a very nice kitchen scale. It looks good on the countertop and does what it's supposed to. It has a backlit digital panel and has ability to switch between G, lb, Oz, flat, Oz, Oz ml. You can also put a bowl etc. on the scale and set the scale to 0. That way you can add ingredients to the bowl and it will only tell you the weight of the ingredients. The scale does have an app and it was able to readily connect to the app. The app was more complex than I thought it would be. The app is designed to be a companion app for tracking nutritional value of what you eat. So, it creates your profile with age, height, weight etc. Only after you create a profile will it let you look at the nutritional value of what's on the scale. I am sure you all know that the scale wouldn't auto-detect what's on it and you would have to select it yourself in the app. Just saying, so you won't expect the scale to do it for you. Winking face. The selection feature is the one where you would have to find your product. For example, a search for Apple will list a lot of options for Apple like, Apple, Tree Crisp, Apple, Best Choice, Apple, Oneonta Trading Corporation, etc. Selecting different apples will yield different results. So, don't assume that it's super accurate but will just give you an idea.